Hello and welcome. Myself Neeraj Singh and I am social science faculty from Resonance. Today we are going to read chapter 5 class 10, that is minerals and energy resources. This chapter you might have already read in your previous classes. So let's see what all we have in this chapter. First of all, let us start from minerals. What are minerals? So minerals are homogeneous structure of naturally occurring substances with a definable internal structure. Now these can be differentiated on the basis of color or hardness, on the basis of crystal forms, on the basis of luster, that is shine, and the density. Now these are combination of different minerals. Different minerals, when they are combined in a definite form, then only we get this minerals. Mode of occurrence. The minerals occur in different forms. They might be formed in igneous rock, they might be formed in sedimentary rock, or they might be found in metamorphic rocks. The minerals are usually found in ores, so we have to separate them from the ores, and then only we have the main required or the desired mineral which we want. Now this is the classification chart or classification of minerals. So minerals are classified into metallic, non-metallic and energy minerals. When we talk about this metallic minerals are further classified into ferrous. So all those metallic minerals which contain iron or Fe, those are ferrous. Then those metallic minerals which does not contain iron or Fe are put into non-ferrous. Those metals which are precious are called as precious, just like gold, silver, platinum, etc. Non-metallic minerals are those which does not contain any element of metal, just like mica, potash, granite, limestone and other. Now talking about this energy minerals, coal is one which give us energy. Another one we have here petroleum. The another one which we have here is natural gas. Ferrous minerals, as we already discussed, those minerals which contain iron in any form are called as ferrous minerals. Now these are found in ores, and there are mainly two ores of iron. One is magnetite, another one is hematite. So ferrous mineral account for about 3/4 of the total value of production of minerals in India. The different regions in which these ferrous minerals or this iron minerals are formed are Odisha or Jharkhand, Durg, Chota Bastar and Chandrapur. Now this is in Odisha, you all know. Then this Durg, Bastar, Chhattisgarh. This Bellary and Tukmangaluru and Chikkamangaluru, these both in Karnataka. Then you have this Maharashtra and the Goa belt. Okay, let's see where they all happen in on the map of India. So there you have this Odisha or Jharkhand belt. Then you have this Durg, Bastar and Chandrapur. Now this is found in this Chhattisgarh region, right? This is found in this Jharkhand and Odisha region. This is found in this Goa and Maharashtra region, and these two are found in this Karnataka region. Now this is the classification of minerals. or the specification of all the different state wise. So as compared to Odisha, it produced the maximum number of quantity. Then you have the Chhattisgarh, it has the 18% of the India's ore reserve. Then Karnataka, it has the highest quantity of ore and the largest iron ore reserve in India. Then you talk about this Jharkhand, it has the quarter or 1/5 or the 1/4 amount of, or 25%, 25% of iron ore deposit. Now manganese is mainly used for manufacturing of the steel. For manufacturing of 1 ton of manganese, we require almost 10 kg of, for manufacturing of 1 ton of steel, we require almost 10 kg of manganese. And Odisha is the largest producer of manganese in India. Now talking about non-ferrous minerals. Non-ferrous minerals are those minerals which does not contain any part of iron or Fe. Non-ferrous minerals include copper, bauxite, lead, zinc and gold. Now copper is one of the most important non-ferrous mineral which we use. It is used widely for making electric wires and different elements which are related to electricity. It has lots of property. The first one is malleable. Now malleable means it can be drawn into thin sheets. Then ductile, it can be drawn into wire. It is good conductor of heat and electricity. It is used extensively for making this electric cables and electronic items. It is mainly found in this Madhya Pradesh region, Khejri, that is in Jhunjhunu, Rajasthan, and Sikbambam and different districts in Jharkhand. Bauxite is the name of main iron, main aluminum ore which is found. Now bauxite deposit are formed by decomposition of wide variety of rocks. Aluminum is obtained from bauxite. This is the main ore from which we get this aluminum, and the deposits are mainly found in Amarkantak, Maikal and Bilaspur Khatri region, all in Madhya Pradesh or MP. Talking about the non-metallic mineral, mica is a mineral made up of series of plates or leaves. It can be clear, it can be black, it can be green, it can be brown in color. It has an excellent anti-electricity capacity, and that is why it is extensively used in electronic items. It has low powder, it has loss factor and insulating properties, resistance to high voltage, and that is why all our electric appliances or switchboard and other, you will find this mica there. Rock minerals, limestone is one of the rock mineral which we have. It is also called as chuna patthar in Hindi. It is used extensively for construction or for making of cement, and it is an essential item for smelting or the process by which we have or we get this iron. It is also used in blast furnaces, ya bhattis. The conservation of minerals is a very essential thing, just because all the minerals which we have are not present in very large quantity, in very abundant quantity. So we should use all those minerals judiciously, and that is why conservation of mineral is a very important thing. The total volume of the workable mineral is only 1% of the earth crust. Then the geological process of minerals replenishment are infinitely small, and our consumption rate is much higher as compared to the rate by which these are replenished. Minerals are also non-renewable, it means they cannot be renewed. Then continued extraction of the ores led to increase in the cost. Then a concentrate effort has to be made in order to use mineral resources, and it should be used in the sustainable manner. Now you already know what is sustainable manner. It should be used judiciously or judiciously, that we are using it and even the upcoming generation can use it. Then you have, it should be recycled, or the metal should be recycled, and even the scrap should be recovered and should be put into use.